Want to create a professional title animation in After Effects? Let's get started. First, create a new composition. Set the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels, choose a black background, and click OK. Now click inside the composition, select the Type tool, and type your text. I'm writing Adobe Academy Pro. Align the text both horizontally and vertically. Then increase the text size according to your preference and align it again to keep it perfectly centered. Next, deselect everything. Right-click, go to New, then select Solid. Choose any color you like and press OK. Place this solid layer below the text layer. Now, select the text layer, go to Create, and choose Create Shapes from Text. If you want, you can delete the original text layer. Select the text shape layer, turn off the fill color, turn on the stroke color, and set the stroke width to 5 pixels or adjust it however you like. Open the text layer by clicking the arrow from the Add option on the right side, select Trim Path. Scroll down, open Trim Paths, turn on the keyframe for End and set the value to 0. Move the playhead to 3 seconds and change the end value to 100. To make the animation smoother, select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. And finally, preview the animation. You can also trim the shapes individually if you want. In that case, your text will animate from one side. This animation is happening a bit too fast, so to slow it down, you need to move the last keyframe further on the timeline. Now the animation looks slower. If you want it even slower, you can place the keyframe even further. You can adjust it based on your preference. I'm keeping the animations simultaneous and moving the keyframes back to their previous position because this is the look I want. You can choose whatever works best for your style. Preview your animation and enjoy your smooth title effect. Try it out